Master Python in 30 days. In this series, we will look at some of the things that you should learn in your journey to master and grasp Python. Now, there are certain reasons as to why we picked Python over other languages. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why a beginner in programming might choose Python as their first language to learn. And number 1, we look at readability and simplicity. Python has a clean and readable syntax, which makes it easier for beginners to understand and write. It emphasizes on code readability, reducing the learning curve and allowing you to focus on problem solving rather than intricate syntax details. We don't want you to be confused, and yet this is your first language, or this could be one of your first languages to learn. Another thing that makes Python a really great language is that it has a large and supportive community. Python has a vast and active community of developers, making it easier for beginners to find support, resources, and guidance. The community actively contributes to the development of libraries, frameworks, and tools, providing a wealth of learning materials and opportunities for collaboration. One other reason that you may choose Python is its versatility and applicability. Python is a versatile language used in various domains such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and more. Learning Python as a first language provides a solid foundation to explore different career paths and adapt to evolving programming needs. Another reason that you may choose Python, or Python may be advantageous for you to learn right now, is its extensive libraries and frameworks. Python offers a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that simplify complex tasks. Beginners can leverage these resources to build projects faster and more efficiently. For example, you'll hear us mention libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplot library that facilitate data analysis and visualization, while frameworks you will hear such as Django and Flux, which simplify web development. And finally, one thing that I will mention is industry demand and job opportunities in Python. Python is popular right now, and there has been a surge in recent years, and it has become one of the most widely used programming languages. Many companies and organizations rely on Python for their projects, creating a strong demand for Python developers. Learning Python opens up numerous job opportunities and increases employability in the programming industry. So those are some of the few reasons that could make Python really advantageous for you to learn as a beginner language.